Okay, now we'll continue practice set 11.1. First question. The following table shows the number of saplings planted by 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of saplings planted by each student. Now box is given here. Number of saplings, that is xi is given. Number of students fi is given. Then here one more third column is given fi into xi. So what you have to do, you have to multiply fi x. Already you know the formula. Sigma fi xi upon n. n भी चलेगा और sigma fi लिखा तो भी चलेगा. So 1 into 4, 4. 2 into 6 you multiply and find the total. fi xi का total find out करो and sigma fi का total find out करो. Then you divide. Okay, that is your x bar. Now we'll do that. Now fi xi will find 1 into 4, 4. 2 6 are 12. 12 3s are 36. 8 4s are 32. Then find the total. Total will be 84. Then n is equal to, the value of n is 30. This is sigma fi, or you can write sigma fi. Fi and n means same. Don't write here small letter. This should be always capital N. Therefore mean is equal to sigma fi xi upon n. So sigma fi xi means 84. N is 30. 84 upon 30. You divide and see, that is you will get 2.8. Therefore the average number of trees planted is 2.8. This is the answer. Okay, now we'll go to second sum. The second sum is given. The following table shows the electricity in units used by 25 families of Eklara village in a month of May. Complete the table and answer the following question. See the box here. Electricity used, that is given in units. Number of families, that is frequency. Then first you find out fi into xi. Fi is given, xi is given. Then you multiply and find the answer. Find the sigma fi total also. Then according to this question, how many families use 45 units electricity? 45 units कितना family ने use किया? That will find later. First we will multiply and see. Okay. Now fi xi, first one 30 into 7, that is 210. 45 into 2, 90. 60 into 8, that is 480. Then 75 into 5, 375. Then 90 into 3, that is 270. Then sigma n find out, that is 25, and sigma fi xi is 1425. Now see the first question. How many families use 45 units electricity? 45 units electricity कितना family use कर रहे हैं? 2. You write down here 2 families. Second question. State the score, the frequency of which is 5. Which is 5? Score is 75. Therefore the score is 75. Write the answer. Next, find n and sigma fi xi. n का मतलब total find out करो. Total तुम्हारा कितना आया? n is 25 and fi xi is 1425. That only you enter here. n is 25 and fi xi is 1425. Then mean. Next, fourth question is given. Find the mean of electricity used by each family in the month of May. So mean find out करो. fi xi है and n भी है. n को sigma fi भी लिख सकते हो. Sigma fi xi 1425 upon n का value 25. Then both you divide, you will get 57. Therefore, the mean of electricity used by each family is 57 units.